Explore this delectable recipe for handcrafted Dubai chocolate bars. Gather Kataifi Philo Dough, butter, white chocolate, pistachio paste, and sesame paste for the filling. For the chocolate body, you'll need both milk and dark chocolate. First, unravel the Kataifi Philo dough into strands. Melt butter in a pan over low heat. Add the dough, stirring until crispy. Set aside. Melt white chocolate in a double boiler and mix with the crispy dough, pistachio paste, and sesame paste until smooth. Next, chop your milk and dark chocolate and melt them together. Temper the chocolate by cooling and reheating it to get that perfect finish. Pour a layer of tempered chocolate into bar molds. Add the filling, then cover with another chocolate layer. Let set at room temperature or refrigerate. Finally, demold the bars and decorate as desired. Enjoy your exquisite creation. Check the description for full details.